Bring the needle out through the fabric from point 1. Now, place the needle close to the fabric. Wrap the thread around it twice. Keep the longer end of the thread pulled with your fingers while putting the needle back in a point just close to point 1. This is probably what you have to master. Pull down the needle through the fabric. You will see your first French knot formed. You use both the hands to do the French knot. If you are holding the needle with your left hand fingers, wrap the thread and hold it. Hold the working thread taut as you pull the needle and thread through. This tension helps create nice, even French knots. French knot stitch is very useful for little bits of texture that can be added to any embroidery design. They can cluster together or stand alone. This stitch can be used to do little flowers or as a filling stitch to fill in small circles and the center of flowers. Many closely done French knots can give a woolly appearance and can be used for textures.